Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Beccolux 1987. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. So as you can see, I am on my knees in Sam's house. Where you normally do all your videos.
Yes. This is my studio.
This is the studio. And we are here and we are unboxing a vacuum. Now,
we hope.
This one was given to me by a very good friend, Andy.
Yes, that's really like Andy. Lots of his vacuums are featured on my channel as well.
They are, yes, and bits on mine as well.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to be unboxing this to say a big thank you to Andy for donating this machine to me. Yeah. He said I really like it and he knows it'll go to a really good home.
Ooh,
and it'll get used.
Do you know what it is?
I do, yes.
Okay.
But I'm not telling anybody yet. Well, you'll see from the title.
Yeah, but I don't know what it is yet.
But you don't know what it is.
Yes.
Yes.
We'll keep it a fake secret.
So I've got Sam's knife.
The knife of implementation.
Now we are now making incision for the what do they call it?
The heart.
When women have babies.
Oh, the C-section.
Yeah, the C-section. So we're just putting in the scalpel for the C-section.
Put all the guts to the side.
Ooh, just open up the flaps.
I looked at it once when Eva was born by a C-section.
Oh, I'd have passed out. Oh!
Ooh!
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 It's boxed as well.
I see an original box. Oh my goodness.
417.
Wow, this... I've never had one in an original box before.
No. Well,
Model 417.
I've had one in its wrong original box.
Made in the Scottish.
It's a local one as well.
Perivale, Greenwood, Middlesex. So
oh, wow, look at the label. It's got its original address label. Look at the address on it.
Oh yeah.
WRAC Staff Band. Queen Elizabeth Barracks, Guildford.
Guildford in Surrey.
Yeah, that's where all the Barbie stuff is.
Wow.
Originally, there's no.
What's that?
I don't know.
There's no date on it. I can't see. It's just
unless there's a shipping date on it. There you go. Well, Fanfold Limited December '67.
All right, so December '67 when this label was stuck on. So
that label, yeah.
And I think it would have been delivered new.
I think they're 1960s.
Oh my gosh! Right. Okay. Let's just slightly open up the box. And inside we have vacuum cleaner bags, universal ones for cylinder uprights.
But they're the HEPA fleecy type ones.
Yes.
The horrible paper ones you used to.
They are nice and they are the HEPA flow filter flow ones. And for me, for my Maytag, these Maytag bags. Wow, that is really good.
Very nice.
Yes, they are paper ones, but they're really good paper ones. They are. So these have got their micro-lined vacuum bags for it, so they got micro filtration on them.
Very nice.
Thank you so much, Andy, for that. That is amazing. Right, now before I start opening up what is in here, we're going to bring the camera a little bit closer over and we'll have a look at the box. Okay, that's better now. You have got a better view. So we have a lovely Hoover hose.
Excellent condition.
That is in excellent condition. Ooh, two very nice wands.
Yeah, very nice indeed.
Oh, but are they one of them's a replacement, I assume, is it?
I never know.
They look different.
They had a few different finishes on them over the years. But
and
there's no Hoover branding on the clip, but they normally have them.
3.
Ah,
excellent.
Oh,
And the piece de resistance. Ta-da!
Wow, that's in so much better condition than my one. Because I had one of these, as you saw, but I sold it because it was just too rusty to be. Oh, it's been serviced.
So it was serviced in Surrey.
Camberley.
In Camberley in Surrey. So this is
near
the
where the box
Oover.
was. So that was a local machine its whole life.
Surprised why they never put some kind of like wheels on them.
Budget. That would have been their budget cylinder, I think.
It weighs a ton. Double insulated Hoover model 417G, AC/DC 510 watts, serial number 444602. What would that mean in years?
you had to have the serial numbers to look it up, and I might have the service manual for it, but I have to look on the computer. So
1960.
It'll be 60s, I think.
It's got the nice Hoover sticker on it there.
Mine was a badge. That's always like
Nice handle on it, in really good condition.
Yeah.
Rocker switch, which is just like the ones from the Constellations, and also the same switch.
I used it for years.
But it works.
Yep.
Whereas the other one didn't.
No.
Inside here, so if we pull this like so, and then open it up. Oh wow, HEPA float. So there is a.
That'll be the original pre-motor filter.
Yep, the original pre-motor filter. Looks like it's made of cat fur.
Yes.
I think it's woven from cats.
This bag is in excellent condition.
Just smell that.
Yeah.
That just smells like vintage.
It smells like the bag.
Oover.
It's just
Yeah.
it's just a lovely smell.
Oh, that's what I remember.
It's gonna smell nice when we turn it on.
I remember my grandmother's cupboard under the stairs. That's what it smelt of with the Hoover Constellation that she had in there.
Plug wise, we have a Hercules rubber plug
Ah.
of appropriate vintage.
Let's have a see if it's still got that smell. It has got a bit of a smell, but when these were new, I remember as a kid, the smell of the vulcanized rubber was really distinct.
Yes.
Even the grommet on it is in perfect condition.
Isn't it?
Cable, really, really good. Just needs a wipe over, that's it. I think that's all it needs. The machine just needs a wipe over, that's it. Just to undust it.
And a polish, because that'll shine the paintwork.
Yes, and a bit of a polish as well.
Yeah.
Would these be original, do you
I
reckon?
think so. Mine had them looking roughly like that.
It's not super heavy, so it's also, you can use it as a blower.
Yes. And there is a filter. There is an exhaust filter behind there. And mine was awful on mine when I got it, but that's like a million times better than mine was when I got it. We'll see what the suction's like.
Okay, cool. Let's plug it in.
Shall I plug it in?
Yes, let's plug it in, and then we can switch it on.
Power!
Okay. Are we ready? Oh wow.
There's nothing wrong with that, is there?
Oh, listen to that.
That just disappears.
Oh, amazing. Clips on.
Yeah.
Try that end. That's not bad.
No. There was a massive air leak coming from the front half.
Yeah.
That's excellent.
Oh, that is so sweet.
Would you like to give it a bit of a demo, perhaps?
Yes, definitely. Let's get it set up, and then we'll give it a bit of a demo.
But we will have to use...
Ah, yes.
Because we don't have the original
No.
portal. But that's fine, they're all pit fit.
Exactly.
Hey, let's get me set up then.
Okay, so we've got it all together, the 417. Here you can see, and it's lovely. I guess it has a sage green kind of colour.
It's the hot green and junk wheel that matches the Sealies and the Juniors. In fact, I've got the matching Junior and the matching Senior up in the loft. If we get a bit
I have
bored,
seen them. I haven't got one.
we'll fetch them down.
Let's try it.
That carpet's quite a pain anyway. Hang on, I get rid of it. Hang on.
It's picking things up, I can hear it.
Yeah. I mean, that's a very nice floor tool, a good many steps above what it would have had.
Oh gosh, yes.
Originally.
Definitely. Let's try it on. Very good on hard floor.
It's lovely. It's why I kept it, even though I haven't actually got a vacuum cleaner that it goes with. It's just handy to have around for situations like this.
Exactly. Right, I think we should put down some rice.
Yes.
We will put a little bit of rice on the carpet, like so, and then we will put a little bit on the hard floor. Rice just bounces everywhere.
Yeah. Which one are you doing first?
Let's do the carpet first. Back on carpet mode.
Go nice and slowly then. Wow,
Perfect.
a clean sweep.
I love the sound.
Yeah, it just clinks up the wand.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Right, let's try it on hard floor.
Oh, a little bit of slow padding on the brushes only. That's just the brushes. If you tip it back, it'll get all that, yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful. I love the sound of it.
Yeah, it's a hum. It's a lovely, gentle hum.
Let's try it on its blower port.
Ooh. I found the cleverest tool in the box actually as well. It's behind you.
Ah,
Sorry, we found this off camera.
that's the original
It is
Oover,
genuine. Yeah. It's a style I haven't really seen, but
Let's try it
you can't deny it's genuine. Put it under your shirt.
Oh. Literally head wrenching.
Oh. Yeah.
Quite powerful.
That is.
Although I never really have used it on blower port. I don't really know what you would use.
I've
it for.
used the 345 on the blower port before for blowing stuff out. Computers. I've cleaned my computer with the blower port of a vacuum cleaner.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. It's got a twisty head on it. I just love it.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's such a beautiful example.
Yes.
And I've got an
And it's ready to just go, isn't it? You can just wipe it down and store it if you need it. It doesn't need much else.
that's what I'll do. I'll put it on the shelf in the Hoover room
Yes.
and use it. Let's try the crevice to it. Really good.
Yeah.
And I've got lots of other tools as well that I can use with it from other Hoovers because I got quite a wide selection of tools.
Just less to store, isn't it?
So yeah, exactly. So they'll all be in the museum because you can just interchange them, which is what I like about it. It's very good. Excellent. Okay, so we have done that. Let's take a look inside the bag. Let's see what we have picked up just on this little test. Wow.
That is not just rice, is it?
No. Dust, sand, grit. So it's picked up a bit of everything.
Yeah.
That's really good. Sand's in the bottle. There we go. Excellent. So let's get it back unplugged and everything, and then we'll finish off the video. So there we go, guys. We have done the unboxing and the first quick demo of it. And do you like it?
Very nice. They are lovely. I would have kept mine, but it was just so far gone. It was rusty everywhere, and there becomes a point. But that one,
It's
absolutely
fantastic. You were looking online and you said they first came out in 19...
I've only got a model booklet list, and it was 1964. I don't have a service manual scan which then lists the years versus the serial number. But yeah,
Andy will know probably. He'll
yeah.
let us know when he sees the
this
video.
is somebody with the original 1962 for service manual pack. That'll have it in. But
So the only thing, so this came out, and there was also a Hoover Junior that had the same colour,
and the Constellation,
and the Constellation, and the Senior, and the Hoover.
And probably a Dustet as well.
Right. Okay.
And the floor polisher. That was that colour.
Oh, right. Okay.
There was a whole range in this colour.
Oh wow. And you said it was jonquil and
Hop green.
hop green and jonquil.
Yeah, I don't know which one's which, but
No, neither do I. I think that possibly might be the jonquil. I don't know.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Someone will
It's a
know.
mystery. Somebody will tell us. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. This is the first video that we've made together on my channel.
Yeah.
And Sam's also got a load on his going out. So we're going to correspond them for when they're going out together. So anyway, there are lots more videos to come.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Please comment, like and subscribe. Link to Sam's channel is in the video description. Go and check out Sam if you don't know who he is anyway, which is not many people.
Yep.
And yeah, and subscribe. So thank you very much, and we will both see you very soon in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.